In this video, we're going to work on question 15 from problem set of the chapter 3. So these are all information that we were given, and we were asked to find ROE. So in this question is relevant to what we learn in the class. It's called DuPont identity. Okay, so DuPont. Okay, so let's start kind of brush up the idea about DuPont identity. So we start from ROE, which we know that is equal to net income divided by total equity. So if I multiply, let's start this way. So if I multiply both side, not both side, for up the numerator and denominator with total asset divided by total asset. Okay, which actually this part is just 1. So if I do this way, it doesn't change anything, okay, because this actually equal to 1. But it will give you something very interesting new. So if you kind of play around buying, swap this to this, okay, you get net income divided by total asset multiplied with total asset divided by total equity. And this part, okay, if you recall, this called ROA. And this part is called equity multiplier. All right. So we can also continue working on this, making a little bit more like fun buying. Okay, I'm gonna write down the one that we have before. So net income divided by total asset and total asset divided by total equity. So if I multiply this side with sales over sales, okay, and again, because this part is equal to 1. So again, by multiply 1 to what we have here, it will not change the result, but if you kind of rearrange this look, it will give you something very interesting. So if I swap this and this, okay, so you get sales divided by total asset, multiply with net income divided by sales, and multiply with total asset divided by total equity. So you will have here, this is called total asset turnover, you remember. And this one will be called profit margin. And last piece is called equity multiplier. So with this, okay, and then you look back to what we have here. So we have equity multiplier, we have total asset turnover, and we have profit margin. So it's fit perfectly with what DuPont identity give us. So basically, okay, let's start maybe this one because I don't have space there. So equity return on equity based on DuPont identity, it will be total asset turnover times profit margin times equity multiplier, which we know that total asset turnover equal to 1.64, profit margin equal to 7% or 0.07, and last piece is equity multiplier is 1.35. So you multiply all of them together, you get 0.1550. I round it up, so it will equal to 15.5%.